So I'm making this intro because I know I haven't made any videos in a while, and I just want to let you know that I'm trying to be better on making videos. It's just hard to come up with ideas sometimes. Also, the other reason is I recently just moved into a house. So I moved into this house about a month ago, and I quit my last job and I got a new job. So I've been dealing with that, and my parents just moved down to Florida for good because my mom got a job down there. So I've been helping them move down there with them, get all situated. So I've been helping my parents out down in Florida. But I have a few videos in mind coming up soon. It's me and my girlfriend's dad were doing work on his 2008 Jaguar S Type. Now these cars have problems. The rear end was squeaking. Basically, it was shock controller and bushings. We also replaced the shocks because that's what we thought it was originally, but that wasn't the case. But yeah, we put all new rear end in the car. So we put two lower control arms, we put an upper control arm on both sides, so two upper control arms, and two stabilizer bar links, one for the left and one for the right. Yeah, I just wanted to make this quick update, let you know what's going on, and hopefully by the time you see this, I'll have a video right after this.
Taking the upper control arm off.
Hopefully this one doesn't seem too bad.
Looks easy enough.
We have that jack under there too to support it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got the lower control arm off. I didn't record all of it because it took longer than I thought. But as you can see, the lower control arm is not there anymore. So I got all the parts from Rock Auto, and I'll show you in a minute, I got the new one. So here's the old one, here's the new one. Now they are exactly the same. They came with some bolts too, new bolts. If you look, you can see that it's perfect. So we're going to put those in later because right now we're going to leave the lower control arm off because we need to get the upper control arm off. I don't think, like, this problem of the squeaky bushings, the squeaky rear end, they say it's because of the lower control arms. At least that's what I found on the forums. So they say it's the lower control arms, but I think we're going to do the lower and upper ones anyway, just because they're right there and we already have it apart. So you might as well, and I have the parts. So that's what we're going to do. And it doesn't look too bad. It just looks like if that bolt back there, that bolt there, and this thing, I think. The hell? And then all this other shit we gotta take out. I don't wanna take the strut out though. Fuck. Let's see. Oh, yeah, those are the new Bilstein shocks we got from Rock Auto too. They thought it was we thought that would alleviate the squeaking. It did not. So yeah. Yeah, I've never done this before. So this is a learning experience for me as much as it is for you, because I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. But figured I might as well record it because it could be entertaining. So Yeah, I'm gonna start taking the upper control arm off. All right, so that bolt right there is you need to use a 3/4 socket to get it off. I'm gonna use a breaker bar because I'm not fucking with that. Damn it. Yeah, that's right. Got you, bitch. So that is spinning in the back. Fuck. What size is that? 1/4 inch? 1/4 inch wrench. No. That's not a 1/4 inch, actually. It's a 3/4, you dummy. Alright, I'm going to try to keep that wedged in there while I spin it. I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to fucking try it. Shit.
You got your wrench the wrong way. If you're going to want to push on it, that's the ticket. Here, let me see if I can get a little more turn on it.
Okay.
Did the nut move there?
Yeah. Said the wrench is this way, right?
Got him? I'm gonna take some here. Got him?
Yeah.
Okay, stay on it.
Should be.
Okay, stay on it. If you just hold it.
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah, am I pushing down?
You'll find out. Yeah, that wasn't so bad.
Yeah, I wasn't feeling any force, actually.
This is gonna have to come off before we get the next one. Big. Can you hold that there?
Yeah.
There. Oh, it up. So we need this one.
Mm-hmm.
We're done with this.
Can't wait for those.
Hell, that is.
It's the right stabilizer bar.
We got it already?
Yeah, I think it's that one.
We'll check that again.
Looks like it came with a nut. Right here. Just
Oh, that's probably for here. See how that works? Is there something in there? Is there a... We can't get in there anyhow. So that one's gonna go there. So now I gotta figure out how to take this off. Looks like that just flips up.
it's hoping.
Looks like it job for a big yellow screwdriver. Not fast.